Hi there everyone, welcome back to Atomy Masters. Today we're going to do the 4 set, which is the cleansing set. So we have the deep cleanser, we have the foam cleanser, we have the peeling gel, and we have the mask. Okay, let's start with the deep cleanser. For the deep cleanser, it's good and it's perfect to remove makeup, it's a makeup remover, and the dirt and all the impurities that's embedded deep into the skin that blackheads or whiteheads. So we need to use the deep cleanser every evening. So what we can do is right now we're going to start with the deep cleanser. It's very simple. Just squeeze just a little bit, not too much. And then what you need to do is just even it out and put on your face and massage it all over for 2 minutes to soften the skin, because it has got ginseng and ginkgo and green tea extract and carrot extract. So to soften the skin, as you massage, it helps with the blood circulation, and also the reason why we massage is to get all the impurities out that is embedded on the skin for some time, because I have family members that has got blackheads that cannot be removed with so many other products for 1.5 years or 1 year plus. But with this product, she said that her blackheads came off with the deep cleanser. So you just remove, massage. There you see right now, it softens the skin and allows the dirt that has been on in the inner layer of the skin to come up everywhere. And then we're good. So of course to remove it, we use a facial tissue, and then nicely we just wipe it away. Wipe it very well. Okay, wipe it, all the dirt. You see all the dirt, all the makeup. Wipe it away. Take your time, don't rush. Because here you have to wipe it very well, and near the nose area, and then near the chin, around here, the forehead. Okay, it's good. And of course, again, if you forgot the neck, massage a little bit, and also remove it, the dirt here, just remove the rest of it here. Then it's good. So after the deep cleanser, because that has got the oil base, so we need to remove the residual, the oil, very well. So it's very important to move on to our next cleanser, which is the foam cleanser. The foam cleanser is very good, and the foam cleanser is very concentrated because all the air inside the foam cleanser has been vacuumed out, sucked up. So the foam cleanser is very concentrated. So you just squeeze a little bit, it goes a long way. Just a little bit on the hand, and of course again here we just don't forget to wet your hands. Wet it and wet it, so that you can foam it very nicely and foam it very well. Just keep rubbing. See, foam up, very white. The longer the better. Just keep foaming. And for another 2 minutes, the same. The longer you foam, the longer you rub it, the better. Make sure your hands is wet enough. And don't forget the nose. Yep. Very well. Foam it very well over the whole face. And the eye area, just be careful of the eyes. Don't get the cleanser inside your eyes. And then of course the neck. And then here, you rinse it out. Okay, rinse it out with a wet towel. Okay, you can either go to your bathroom and rinse it out on the basin, or take a wet towel, rinse it nicely, and of course again, once after you rinse it off very well on the basin in the bathroom, you use a wet towel just to wipe the rest away. So make sure you wipe it all very well, the residue from the deep cleanser, the oil, and near the forehead, the hairline, the eye area, wipe it, the nose area, the mouth, the side, and then wipe it very nicely. And then after that, you're good. So okay, the next step is the peeling gel. The peeling gel is very important because the peeling gel helps to remove dead skin cells. For information, all of us have dead skin cells, whether you like it or not. So our dead skin cells shed off every 2 weeks. And if we cannot shed off the dead skin cells using the foam cleanser or water. So what this peeling gel does, Atomy peeling gel does, is got willow bark extract. So the willow bark extract will soften the skin, the dead skin, to soften it, so later on you can rub out all the dead skin. So I'm going to dead skin cells. So what I'm going to show you is the same thing. Put it on, squeeze only this much. No need to put so much. And then after that, you just massage it all over. Again, the nose area, the forehead. Massage it all over. Okay, make sure you're all over, and then spread it out. Once you massage it, just again to help the blood circulation. And don't forget the neck. Yeah, your neck also has dead skin cells. And after that, leave it for 2 minutes. Yes, now is after 2 minutes. Now you begin to just rub off the dead skin cells. Yeah, you can see right here. Oh my gosh, I shouldn't be having so many dead skin cells, but it's all good. So just keep on rubbing until all the dead skin cells come out from your face. You see the dead skin right here? Yeah, rub it out. All good. And then of course don't forget the neck. You can rub the same thing. Just don't be afraid, just rub, because the peeling gel has got willow bark extract. It's already it's antibacterial. It's good for acne skin because it will kill the germs and the bacteria. And also it has got grapefruit extract, as I've said, which helps to also clean the acne skin, trouble skin. So not forgetting, it also has fresh organic herbs, which is very moisturizing. So again, you see, so almost all up already. Yeah. Once you finish rubbing all the dead skin cells out, your skin will feel very nice and very fresh, as if something just came off from the skin. As if you have never done a peel, this is perfect, because you feel as if a layer of skin, just layer of dirt just come off. Yeah. And then after that it's good. So what you can do right now, use a very warm towel and put it over your face, okay, so that it will help to clean the rest of the dead skin cells out. You can wipe it out. So not too hot, just you can see it's steaming hot. Just put it over. And just relax. Enjoy your steam. Yeah, it's very relaxing. And then massage, okay? It's the pressure points. Massage. Hold the towel here at the bottom like this so that helps to steam well, to open up to clean the face well, as well as to open up the pores to prepare your face for the mask. Okay, now then you just wipe it away. Wipe the rest of the dead skin cells away with the towel. the eye area gently, and the nose, the mouth area, the cheeks, okay, then the neck. Okay, so it's all white clean. So at least you don't have the dead skin cells all over. So now it's good. So now you feel your skin, you feel it's very clean, as if it's like, oh, very if you have not done a peel, you will know what I'm talking about. It's like, a fresh skin. It's like not a hard, not the thick skin. It's like, I've got a friend who says it feels like a baby's butt. So very nice feel. So okay, now it's very clean, it's very good. No more dirt. It's all well. So in the steam with a very warm towel to help open up the pores to prepare your face for the mask. Okay, the mask is very important because it contains the following fresh organic herb. Okay, like we have the jade powder and the amethyst powder, which activates the circulation. Okay, and on the skin, and help the skin to stay healthy. And also, of course, the pores definitely the mask definitely tightens the pores. And some of my friends when they use the mask, they commented that they have large pores on the face, around the nose area, around the forehead, around this area, T-zone, and the chin. Then they realize the mask has helped them to tighten the pores around this area. And of course, again, this also has a firming and lifting effect. That's the beauty of the mask. And of course, lastly is the citrus grandis, which is the grapefruit extract, which helps to also, it's perfect for super sensitive skin as well as for skin that has acne. So it help to mask and mask out the impurities, from the acne, from the dirt inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to start applying it by squeezing a little bit, okay, and then just like painting on the face, starting with the nose area. Okay, make sure your hand is away, nose area, and then continue to paint. All right, don't be afraid, because for those of you who are artists, you'll be very good at doing this. Okay, so paint it, and then if you don't have enough, you can squeeze it some more, a little bit more, so that your whole face is, has mask on, because you do not want any area of the face to miss out the mask. Okay, eye area, no, not too close the eyes. And then your nose, you can put more. You can put more on the nose, because the nose area is normally the blackheads and the whiteheads, because it's a higher area compared to the cheek. The nose is a higher area. You see that? So put more on the nose. Now, of course, again, it's the chin. The chin is also higher than the cheek around this area. So the chin and the nose, and also the forehead. So when you see these 3 points, which is higher, always tend to have the blackheads and dirt more. So all over. Okay, so as I've said, be a good painter, paint it all, even it out. Not dab, just paint it, just even it out. And then, after that, of course, if you have extra, you can always put it over. And then once it starts to dry up, then don't disturb it, let it dry. After that, and let it stay, and let it wait for it to dry. And for me, I also leave, I've started applying mask, a slightly thinner layer, and I sleep with it, because our mask is eco-friendly. All our products contains fresh organic herbs, and it's just biodegradable, so it will allow your skin to breathe. So it's just safe. It's okay to sleep with it, because I love it. I've been doing that lately, and when I wake up, my skin, after peeling off the mask, after waking up, you peel off the mask, my skin glows. I love it. So you can sleep with it. It's safe. Okay, then I have to leave it to dry. So let's wait for it to dry. Yes, having left it on for 2-3 hours, now it definitely is all dry now. So now you can remove it, or I go to bed with it. It's fine because it's biodegradable, as I've said earlier, and it allows the skin to breathe, so it's safe to sleep with it. So right now, I'm going to show you how to remove the mask. So just from the bottom, you just take your finger right here, and just roll it up, because later after that, you feel that you can peel it off like almost one piece, one sheet like this. Okay, rub it out like this. Okay, like this. Keep rubbing it out so you can see right here. Then you can, so by rubbing it, you can see this thin sheet. Of course, if you apply it thicker, then it's much easier to pull it out. So right now, just pull. Yeah, so upward, of course, upward movement, not pull it down. Then your face was side. Pull it like this, and then keep pulling it. Yeah, you see, it's slowly coming up. So make sure allowing it to dry more. All right, and then continue to pull up, and let's see. Pull it out like this. Yeah, okay, like this. It doesn't matter, just pull it out. Okay, peel it off. So you call it all a peeling mask. Just peel it all out. Okay. Okay, don't forget this area here, whatever that's left over, peel it off. Okay, this all around your hair area. Okay, so the rest of it, if you find that it's stuck, to the side, of the skin, it's difficult to move out. That's to remove it out, to peel it off. That's where you use the towel. All right, the towel, fold it nicely, and then you just have to you see, once you wipe it, it cleans. It comes up pretty easy. See, it comes up really easy. Wipe it nicely, wipe it, gently wipe it. A wet towel, okay, not a dry towel. A wet towel. Remove the rest. Okay, gently around the eye area. Then see a little bit here. Okay, pretty good. And then that's it. I'm good. Of course, once your face is all clean, you feel nice. You feel because our Atomy products contains fresh organic herbs in each and every one of them. And of course, again, as I've said, the foam cleanser, I forgot to mention to you, the foam cleanser has got beta-glucan, which is very moisturizing. All right, and also Phalaenus lentus, which is mushroom extract, which is they call it the vegetable worm extract, which is actually mushroom. It's also very good for the skin and very nutritious for the skin to help the skin texture improve and also glow and have the gloss. So that's it for this 4 set. It's very simple, not too hard. Once you get used to it, it's very fast doing it. Of course, I'm doing slow. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it and come back soon for my next demo.